Hello and welcome to another episode of the Williams Learning Lab. In this video we're going to learn how to draw the Lewis structure of oxygen gas, that is O2, and we're going to be using the method of counting the number of unpaired valence electrons to determine how many bonds are going to be made. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to assume you already know how to determine the number of valence electrons from your periodic table. And so oxygen, it is a group 16 element, and it's going to have 6 valence electrons. So I'm going to go ahead and write the electron dot structure. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 valence electrons. And I'm going to draw the other one also, just so we can kind of visualize how many bonds it can make. And so since each oxygen has 2 unpaired valence electrons, that means it can pair, it needs to pair 2 times. It can make 2 bonds. And as we look at this, we can see that both have a electron pictured here on the bottom. Well, they're going to share and form a bond. And then pictured here on the left side, they have another unpaired electron that's going to form a bond. And so you can write those electrons anywhere, like they don't have to be at the bottom or the left. But what we want to do is we want to have that electron be shared with the other oxygen. And so I'm going to redraw that, but I'm going to draw the unpaired electrons first. All right, and then so here is one bond. Now I'm going to take the 2 unpaired electrons that were on the bottom and put them in the middle. And so what we have there is the electron dot structure. I like starting with that first because it helps me visualize and count electrons a little bit better. And so with the Lewis structure, all you have to do is all of those shared electrons, for every 2 shared electrons you have, you're just going to draw a line. All right, so I'm going to put my valence electrons right here. I have a double bond, and then put some more valence electrons right there. And so as I count these electrons, we can determine if each oxygen has fulfilled its octet rule of wanting to get 8 electrons in its valence. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Bond counts as 2, so 5 and 6, and then 7 and 8. And the same for the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the Lewis structure of oxygen gas. If you found this video valuable, would you consider like, commenting, or subscribing? If you would like to see me do some examples or cover a topic, tell me in the comment section below. Until next time, guys, have a nice day and keep on learning.